I really appreciate you following the digital revolution. This series produces both an engaging podcast and live audio chat that together highlights the dynamic world of digital transformation. The series explores how businesses, industries, and individuals are navigating the ever-evolving landscape of intelligent technology. Here are 3 compelling reasons why you should join and participate in the Digital Revolution live chat on LinkedIn. First, chat topics focus on industry-recommended strategies for digital transformation. Second, you'll hear real-life case studies and inspiring success stories where businesses have transformed their operations using digital tools. These real-world case studies demonstrate the impact of digital transformation on efficiency, innovation, and growth. And third, but not last, you'll stay ahead of the curve. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial. By participating in the LinkedIn live chats, you'll gain insights into the latest trends in cloud computing, AI, cybersecurity, and data analytics. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, a tech professional, or someone passionate about the future of technology, joining in on the next digital revolution with Jim Kunkel live chat session on LinkedIn will equip you with knowledge, understanding, and connect you with a community of like-minded individuals. Please join in, engage, and participate in the transformative conversations. I am recording this session audio for rebroadcasting. This chat on the Digital Revolution channel on YouTube, and our topic is Artificial Intelligence Index Report 2024 Top 10 Takeaways. The Stanford AI Index Report is an annual publication that provides a comprehensive overview of the state of artificial intelligence. It covers various aspects, including research trends, technological advancements, and societal impact. During this live chat session, I'll cover the top 10 takeaways from the 2024 report. Let's get into the topic. First, let me read the introduction to the AI report. It reads, "Welcome to the 7th edition of the AI Index Report. The 2024 index is our most comprehensive to date and arrives at an important moment when AI's influence on society has never been more pronounced. This year, we've broadened our scope to more extensively cover essential trends such as technical advancements in AI, public perceptions of the technology, and the geopolitical dynamics surrounding its development. Featuring more original data than ever before, this edition introduces new estimates on AI training costs, detailed analysis of the responsible AI landscape, and an entirely new chapter dedicated to AI's impact on science and medicine. The AI Index report tracks, collates, distills, and visualizes data related to artificial intelligence. Our mission is to provide an unbiased, rigorously vetted, broadly sourced data in order for policymakers, researchers, executive journalists, and the general public to develop a more thorough and nuanced understanding of the complex field of AI. The AI Index is recognized globally as one of the most credible and authoritative sources for data and insights on artificial intelligence. Previous editions have been cited in major newspapers, including the New York Times, Bloomberg, and The Guardian, and have amassed hundreds of academic citations and been referenced by high-level policymakers in the United States, the United Kingdom, and the European Union, among other places. This year's edition surpasses all previous ones in size, scale, and scope, reflecting the growing significance that AI is coming to hold in all of our lives. Now, here's the top 10 takeaways from the 2024 Artificial Intelligence Index Report. Number 1, AI beats humans on some tasks, but not on all. AI has surpassed human performance on several benchmarks, including some in image classification, visual reasoning, and English understanding. Yet, it trails behind on more complex tasks like competition-level mathematics, visual common sense reasoning, and planning. Okay, let me add my perspective on this topic. While artificial intelligence has made significant strides, it's essential to recognize that there are areas where AI outperforms humans and others where it still lags behind. Now, here are some examples. The first is image and object recognition. Machines have a strong track record of surpassing humans in image and object recognition tasks. For instance, capsule networks pioneered by Jeff Hinton significantly improve error rates in recognizing objects. These networks allow systems to better identify objects even when the view differs from previous analysis. State-of-the-art networks trained on labeled image databases have also outperformed PhD students who spent over 100 hours on the same classification task. Number two is in video games. Google's DeepMind employs deep reinforcement learning to teach computers how to play games without explicit programming. For example, in the new Atari game Breakout, the computer learned to maximize its score after just 2 hours of playing, becoming an expert at the game. Deep learning networks are now competing with experienced players in various games, including Space Invaders, Doom, Pong, and World of Warcraft. Number three, voice generation and recognition. Recent advancements such as WaveNet by Google and Deep Speech by Baidu have improved voice generation and speech recognition capabilities. Number four, art and style imitation. AI models can create art and imitate various artistic styles, sometimes producing impressive results. Number five, predictions. AI algorithms excel at making predictions based on large data sets such as weather forecasts, stock market trends, and disease outbreaks. And the final point that I'll add, website design modifications. AI-driven tools can optimize website layouts, personalize content, and enhance user experiences. However, it's important to note that AI still faces limitations. For instance, creative thinking, empathy, and common sense remain challenging for AI systems. Additionally, AI's performance varies across different tasks and domains. As technology continues to evolve, we can also expect AI to surpass human capabilities in more areas over time. Now, let's go to the second takeaway from the report. Industry continues to dominate frontier AI research. In 2023, the AI industry produced 51 notable machine learning models, while universities contributed to only 15. There were also 21 notable models resulting from industry-university collaborations in 2023, which was a new high. The number three takeaway from the report is frontier models are getting more expensive. According to the AI Index, estimates the training cost of state-of-the-art AI models have reached unprecedented levels. For example, OpenAI's GPT-4 used an estimated $78 million worth of computer time to train, while Google's Gemini Ultra cost 191 million. Number four takeaway: the United States leads China, the EU, and the UK as the leading source of top AI models. In 2023, 61 notable AI models originate from US-based entities, far outpacing the European Union's 21 and China's 15. Now, let me explain why it's important for the United States to continue the trend of being the leading source in top AI models. The United States leadership in AI is crucial for several reasons. Innovation and research. US labs, including Google, OpenAI, and Meta, lead in critical AI research metrics. Their contributions drive innovation, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. By maintaining this leadership, the US fosters breakthroughs that benefit society as a whole. Economic competitiveness. AI is a strategic asset with significant economic implications. Leading in AI research translates to a competitive edge in technology markets, attracting investment, creating jobs, and driving economic growth. National security. AI plays a pivotal role in national security, defense, and intelligence. The US must stay ahead to ensure its military and security agencies have access to cutting-edge AI capabilities. Ethical and responsible AI. U.S. leadership allows the country to shape AI development with ethical considerations. By setting standards and guidelines, the U.S. influences how AI is used globally, promoting responsible practices. Global influence. As a leader, the U.S. can advocate for international cooperation, collaboration, and harmonization of AI standards. And this fosters a healthy AI ecosystem and prevents fragmentation. Human potential. AI has the potential to amplify human capabilities. U.S. leadership ensures that AI serves as a force for good, benefiting everyone while navigating ethical complexities. To sum up everything that I just mentioned, the U.S. leading in AI research and development has far-reaching implications. It impacts technology, the economy, security, ethics, and global cooperation. Now, the fifth takeaway from the report: robust and standardized evaluations for large language learning robust and standardization for large language models responsibility are seriously lacking. New research from AI Index reveals a significant lack of standardization in responsible AI reporting. Leading developers include OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, and they primarily test their models against different responsible AI benchmarks. This practice complicates efforts to systematically compare the risk and limitations of top AI models. The number 6 takeaway from the report: generative AI investment skyrockets. Despite a decline in overall AI private investment last year, funding for generative AI surged, nearly tripling from 2022 to reach $25 billion. Major players in the generative AI space include OpenAI, Anthropic, Hugging Face, and Inflection, and they all reported substantial fundraising rounds. The number 7 takeaway from the report: the data is in. AI makes workers more productive and leads to higher quality work. In 2023, several studies assessed AI's impact on labor, suggesting that AI enables workers to complete tasks more quickly and improve the quality of their output. These studies also demonstrated AI's potential to bridge the skill gap between low and high skilled workers. Still, other studies caution that using AI without proper oversight can lead to diminished performance. Now, this early into the AI revolution, human replacement isn't occurring. It's human enhancement via AI. Here's a little perspective on AI enhancing human workers. The first is increased productivity. AI can automate repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. By handling data analysis, solving problems, and streamlining processes, AI frees up human capacity for higher value tasks. Employers believe that AI could boost overall productivity by as much as 49% through faster ideal generation, better decision making, and automation of routine tasks. Improved work-life balance. 67% of workers are optimistic about AI improving their work-life balance. As AI takes over mundane tasks, employees can allocate more time to personal and leisure activities. By reducing manual workload, AI contributes to a healthier work-life equilibrium. Third, business advantages and confidence. 72% of business leaders consider AI as a business advantage. Businesses recognize the potential of AI to drive efficiency, innovation, and a competitive edge. As AI adoption grows, businesses expect it to enhance customer relationships, streamline operations, and drive profitable growth. Now, let's go to number 8 from the report. Scientific progress accelerates even further thanks to AI. In 2022, AI began to advance scientific discovery. 2023, however, saw the launch of even more significant science-related AI applications from Alpha Dev, which makes algorithmic sorting more efficient, and GNOME, which facilitates the process of materials discovery. Now, the number 9 takeaway from the report: the number of AI regulations in the United States has sharply increased. The number of AI-related regulations in the United States has risen significantly in the past year over the last 5 years. In 2023, there were 25 AI-related regulations, and that's up from just one in 2016. Last year, the total number of AI-related regulations over 56%. So, are AI regulations beneficial, and how? The first beneficial is increased transparency. Regulations can enhance transparency by requiring detailed disclosures about how AI models operate. For instance, generative AI models often use copyrighted material or unprotected data during training. Clear regulations ensure that users and developers understand the technology's inner workings. Number 2, data privacy and protection. Regulations promote better data privacy practices by setting guidelines on data handling, storage, and consent. They protect individuals' privacy rights, and users benefit from knowing how their data is used and having control over its handling. Number 3, trust and accountability. Philosophical regulations foster trust, transparency, and accountability among users, developers, and stakeholders. When actors disclose the source, purpose, and limitations of AI outputs, better choices can be made and trust in AI systems can grow. Remember, well-crafted AI regulations strike a balance between innovation and safeguarding human rights, privacy, and ethical considerations. And they pave the way for responsible AI adoption and development. And finally, number 10 takeaway: people across the globe are more cognizant of AI's potential impact and they're more nervous. A focused attitude survey from Ipsos shows that over the last year, the portion of those who think AI will dramatically affect their lives in the next 3 to 5 years has increased from 60 to over 66%. Moreover, 52% expressed nervousness towards AI products and services, and this marks a 13% point increase from 2022. In America, Pew data suggests that 52% of Americans report feeling more concerned than excited about AI, and that rose from 37% in 2022. Now, it's essential to understand the nuances of the Pew research, and I want to address some of the common concerns. Related to job displacement, the fear that AI will eliminate jobs and disrupt the global workforce is not entirely accurate. While automation can change job roles, it doesn't necessarily lead to widespread unemployment. And historical data shows that for every new technology wave, there is a wave of new job creation, careers, and business opportunities. For example, despite initial predictions of job losses due to automation, we currently have the lowest unemployment rate in 55 years. Starbucks, for instance, could benefit from more AI streamline of complex drink orders and also improved scheduling. The next is commercial incentives and fear campaigns. Some narratives about AI being a threat are driven by commercial initiatives. Fear sells, and there's a vested interest in manufacturing fear around AI. Now, healthy skepticism is warranted when evaluating doomsday scenarios. While AI has its risk, it's not inherently evil or out of control. And real concern beyond science fiction scenarios. The real dangers lie in more mundane yet significant possibilities. These include biases in AI algorithms, privacy violations, and unintended consequences. Rather than fearing AI as an all-power adversary, we should focus on responsible development, transparency, and ethical guidelines. Extreme scenarios. While unlikely, some experts fear AI development could lead to catastrophic outcomes. You can think of something like a nuclear level catastrophe. Now, responsible governance and collaboration are super critical to mitigate these potential risks. Now, importantly, a balanced approach acknowledges both the potential benefits and risks of AI. By shaping its use responsively, we can harness AI's power for the greater good. Now, thank you for joining in on this live chat on the Stanford University Artificial Intelligence Index Report 2024. I hope you found this chat informative and engaging. And stay tuned for more exciting discussions on the latest trends and developments from the digital revolution with Jim Kunkel. This concludes the live chat portion of this session.